this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk in detail on how to do gradient lips where you overline the lips for fuller appearance. Now people with smaller lips can also be benefited by this because come on, I have Tweety lips. So here I am with my bare lips which I moisturized already. We only need 3 things for this tutorial. To start you need a nude lipstick. I'm taking my favorite Moonshot's Honey Coverlet 901 Take Off. Apply 1 coat of lipstick on your entire lips as you do. The reason to work with completely nude lipstick is that chances of messing up are almost zero, and if you have uneven and small lips like I do, it helps in building a natural lip line over the lips. Now apply a second coat of lipstick on your entire lips so we have good pigment to work with. Now with a lip brush we are going to fade the line of lipstick on outer edges of our lips. This is going to give us a gradient look as well as fuller lips too. To fade the line, I'm going back and forth on the edges and blending it downwards with the tip of brush so a lip line is created. Take your time and blend it as near to the natural lip line as possible. For natural lips, remember to not to blend edges around mouth corners. Nude lipsticks are best to work with because the pigment is closer to your skin color. Upper lip is always tricky, so be careful and take your time. Now after blending the edges, pat the lip brush sideways on the new lip line. If there is any uneven edge, it evens it out. Oh my god, Muse! Now using the same nude lipstick, we are going to poke it or dab it on the lips lightly everywhere. Pat the new lip line with the side of the lip brush. As the lips are very creamy and pigmented right now, the color will transfer just by patting on the new lip line, without any harsh lines, which is our goal for gradient lips. At this step, I'm taking Peripera's Ink the Lacquer No. 1 Cool Red Fix Tint. You can take any dark color tint here and on the middle of your lips, dot it. The color is spread evenly like that. Press your lips sideways to blend the color and make sure you don't press it all the way through. Again, I am blending the edges of the darker color all the way up to the new lip line so everything looks blended and like a flower petal. You can see that I am pushing the harsh line of the red tint that I have created slowly to the outer edges. I'm taking the harsh line from the middle and dragging it out on my lips. Then whatever is left on the brush is what I apply on the new lip line so gradient lips are maintained. Then once done, I repeat the patting on the sides to even it out. This way you can see how edges are becoming pink now and looks like one color overall. Some people can blend it till the ends and leave it here. But if you want a darker color on the lips like I do, we will repeat these 4 steps. Dot, press, blend and pat. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved the video. Do give me your feedback. This is me, Leneha Junsu, signing off. Bye.